Kaya ang ilan sa mga pagpigil sana sa baha nasisira.
If this is the world we leave behind, what future are we really building? Globally, over 2 billion metric tons of waste are generated annually, with a total predicted to reach nearly 4 billion tons by 2050 if current trends continue. If this goes on, will there still be cold earth in the future? This is our home.
The forests breathe for us.
The oceans sustain us.
The skies protect us.
But every plastic we throw away, every tree we cut, every drop we waste, bring us closer to losing it all.
Protecting Earth is not a choice.
It's a responsibility.
Together, we decide if this beauty lasts or fades into memory.